Was that fish? Boom. Schmack. Yep.
Dude.
I saw him, dude. I saw that happen. How sick is this spot, bro? You want to go? This is where it's at, man.
Oh God. That one too? Double?
There's a school of them, dude. We're on a school.
That is crazy. Oh my gosh, dude. Big one. The biggest smallie probably, right?
Yeah, that's a nice one.
God, these things are so damn strong.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Hell yeah.
Right in the mouth. So peaceful too.
Yeah. No one's home today. That was the only bite I got here last time.
Oh really?
Yeah. It was just that big one holding down this spot. There's one. Dang, dude.
Nice one,
Golly.
is that it? You think that one's it?
I don't know. That's a good one, though. Look at him just turning down there.
Want the net?
Yeah, please. I'll just swing them into you. Jeez. Dude, that's a good one, Bo. That's a good one.
That's so sick.
Dude, that might be him, bro.
Yeah?
That's a good one.
What if it had your bait in its mouth still? That'd be so sick.
I want to see if he has a hook point. Look at what he spit up.
That's crazy.
God, dude, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Man, their teeth are sharp here too, dude.
Yeah?
They got some spikes on those things here. Grab that bait in that moving water, you know. All right, we're at a dozen.
Look at them all.
Oh yeah, those are decent, dude. A little light one there.
Can you get that on your camera? Yeah, let it go all the way now.
They chase too because these fish are spitting up shad too.
Two more to the clicker. Talk about fun, dude. Hold
Look at that, he just spit up a shad.
I'm just letting it sink.
Yeah, I think I need a little bit of weight.
Oh no. Damn.
That was cool. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
There's a big one. Broke me.
Why did you say it so hard?
Dang.
You said it so hard, dude.
That was a good one, dude.
Yeah, you said it really hard though. I don't know what pound line do you have?
10. Dang. That was cool though.
Oh.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Look at that, dude. Watch this. Oh, that's a pike.
Is it? That's a big bass.
Or a big bass, dude.
That's a big bass, dude.
Dude, look at that. Throw it, cast after it, dude. There's like 4 behind him. Look at that, a huge one next to it.
You want me to help you or not?
He's not following anymore. I guess let's just net him. Dang, dude. That is a big smallie.
That's So sick.
Look, there's one down there. Hold on, I'm gonna bring them into the net. Dude, they are hunting. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude.
That was a nice fish.
Ah, it's so fun, man. That's what dreams are made of right there, man. That is a quality smallmouth. Dude. This thing wasn't coming off. That's a nice one, dude. Another quality bass. Oh my god, look at that. That's a big smallmouth. Oh my gosh, dude.
That's that one that keeps chasing you, dude. Ah, that's it. That's
Out of it, dude.
Oh. That's a nice one, dude. That was the same freaking fish that was smacking everything. You think you're good?
No, it's not. Oh no. Just wasn't catching. Dang, dude. Holy crap, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at how he ate that thing.
That was sick. You're like, oh, I think it's jumping over here. Boom. That's so sick.
Oh my god, dude.
Big one?
That was so epic, dude. That was so freaking cool, dude. Golly. Did you hear that? Just boom.
Have you been clicking that still?
Yeah. Holy
oh. Damn.
dang, dude.
That is so crazy.
That is
Look at
so
that
cool.
still.
Oh my god. Oh no.
Damn.
Dang.
I'm kind of excited to see if Lamine and Ma start playing.
Yeah. Dibs on that one. I'm gonna throw my fluke in there though, instead of this stupid thing. That's probably my big one there. Let's, yeah, let's see. Let's see if I get him.
Oh my god.
That was so cool, dude. Saw that? Oh my days.
Dude, that's a big one.
Can you grab the net?
That's a large one. That was good.
Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Dang. Dang, bro. He was just hunting. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, Bo. Oh my gosh.
Did you get that on video?
Yes, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude, the head shakes. I'm gonna come on this side, watch out. Oh my goodness.
That is insane, dude.
Oh my God, Bo. That thing is a unit. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at where I hooked him too.
Oh my God. What a beauty.
Dang, man.
That thing destroyed whatever you
Holy crap, bro.
How big is
17.
that? Oh, 17.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, what a beauty. There's gotta be one in here. We caught a few last time here. I'll anchor here for a minute. We hit like 3 or 4 here last time.
You did?
We did, yeah. Oh yeah, he ate it again, dude. Did you see that? Oh, that was the big one. The little one dropped it and the big one charged it, dude.
Sick, dude.
Dang, man.
That was insane, bro.
Did you see that big one just beeline for it?
Dude. He's like, all right, you gonna drop it, bro? I'll take it.
Yeah, dude, that was awesome. Dang, that looks good back there.
Holy crap, dude.
Oh, he's got followers too.
You might want to kill it.
Yep. It's a smallie. That's a nice fish, dude. Holy cannoli. Dude, that's a big fish, bro.
I know I don't want to horse him, but I don't want him to bring in the log.
Look at see the big one following him?
Yeah.
There's another follower. Keep him there for a second. That's a beauty right there, man. That was awesome. It's a nice fish.
And then maybe park over
Well,
there.
yeah, I was gonna go down there. That was cool, dude.
Dude, that looks big. No? That's not bad.
Look at that! Oh my God!
What?
Dude, like look at those monsters! There's some big ones right there.
Try to go that way so you don't see them.
They followed him out of there. They're all under that, dude. How many have you caught here? You haven't clicked them?
No. But 2. Look at all that. That looks so juicy. And it's hot now.
Holy shit, dude. Dude, look at that thing. Grab the net, dude. Oh my God, that's a big largemouth. He's got a big old head on him. Dang. Oh, jeez. Another nice largie, man. In the spring, that thing's like 4 pounds, 5 pounds.
Picture.